Hello, guys. Hello, everyone. What's up, you guys? Long time no see. How are you all doing, my people? Hope you all are doing great. Hope you all are doing great, you guys. Nice to have you back on my YouTube channel, guys. So, what's up? What have you guys been up to? Today is Friday, guys, so I decided to say let me make just short videos to say hi to my gorgeous, amazing, wonderful subscribers. Nice to have you guys back. Nice to have you guys here. So, guys, what's popping? What's up, everyone? It is Friday, guys. Today's Friday, so let me come and say hi to you all. Hope all is well. Hope all is going well with you guys. If so, we give glory to Almighty God, who is the faithful one, the great I am. So, my my people, what's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Hey, 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 hey. Oh, my amazing people, guys! Hope you guys like the last video that I posted. I just post. I think I posted 2 videos this week. Yeah, the one that my cooking videos. You guys know that I also post cooking videos, lifestyle videos, shopping videos. Yeah. So I posted 2 videos this week, which is the one I cooking video that I post this week. One is how I make black soup. The other one is how I make yam porridge. So hope you guys love those type of videos. Anytime that I have chance, I also make some lifestyle videos, going for shopping, going to stores to see what they have. Like the other video that I posted the other day, that I went to this store that they call Teddy, which are selling beautiful things, you know. They sell kitchen appliances, they sell home things for home, you know. Yeah, I think it's more better now, right, guys? I've got to sit on a higher chair. Yeah, no, I just had put something under my boot to make, before it was like I was a little bit yeah, I think I've positioned the camera well now, right? The camera is more better like this. Yeah. So you guys, as I was saying, okay, that I post different type of videos. There are the ones that I go for shopping, supermarket, grocery shopping, right? There are the ones that I also go to show things in stores, new arrival, the new things that they have in store. Like the other day that I post the one that I went to Teddy, the store they call Teddy, to show what they have. The weather is changing now, you guys. We are getting close to spring, right? So although the weather is still somehow cold, like yesterday was so cold, even today is somehow cold also. So I went the other day to see what they have because they change goods, they bring goods almost every two weeks, right? So the other day I went to see what they have, which they have gorgeous things. They have beautiful kitchen appliances, home decor, DIYs. I do all those stuff also. I do go to stores to see what they have. Sometimes I went to clothes shopping, to shopping mall, right, to see what they have. I do cooking videos, and I also post yeah, lifestyles. What I'm also thinking to add to my YouTube channel video right now is how I make my beautiful daughter's hair. I'm thinking of how to do that also, how to add that to my content because I know how to make some beautiful kids hairstyles. So I know how to make kids hairstyles, right? Hair for children, beautiful hairstyles. So I was also thinking maybe I should also bring in that, how I make my daughter's hair. I also know how to fix my own hair, like this one that I'm carrying right now. I did it myself, so I know how to fix my hair by myself. and yeah, all those stuff. I'm thinking to bring them also into this channel. I hope you guys will also love that. So yeah, guys, those are the things I have in mind that I will be bringing for you guys, and I hope you guys like it. Yeah, you guys. So more I post videos, mostly this sit down videos to talk to you guys what is new, what this channel is about. More we get to know each other, you know. And you guys please do try and be commenting your mind, what you think about my videos. And I will reply you as always, you guys. I love replying comments. Whatever comment that you drop for me, I will reply you. Yeah, I also love to post what other things that I post? Cooking videos, lifestyle videos, shopping videos, grocery shopping, going to stores to see what's new. Yeah. So you guys, those are the things that I post on this channel. As I told you guys before, this my YouTube channel was about fashion. Okay, the niche before was about fashion. It was about clothes, ladies wears, new styles, male wears, male wears. Yeah, that is what this channel was about before. But I changed the niche. I said, okay, let me change this channel to lifestyle videos, lifestyle activities, shopping channel, the channel that I'll be posting shopping videos, things that I do on my daily life. Yeah, you guys. So that is why I decided to change the niche, which I hope that you guys love it. The goal is for you guys to love it. It's for you guys to be okay with my channel, for you guys to be happy. Leave your thoughts. Tell me what you think, and I will reply you. I will reply your good comment. Okay, guys. Yeah. So that is what this channel is about. You know. Also, if you guys have any question to ask me, do leave it on my comment section. If you have any question, anything that you want to ask me, leave it on my channel or leave it on my comment section. I will reply you guys. If I cannot reply direct on comments, I will come and make video about it. If it is something if it's a question that I want to make video about, I will come on here and make a video about your comment, about your questions. And I'm also thinking to do a Q&A. Alright, a Q&A. You can ask me any questions, and I will answer you. Right? Yeah, I'm also thinking of doing that. I hope one day I will set up that Q&A. You guys can ask me anything. As you guys know that I have a baby, a beautiful daughter, my gorgeous daughter. You guys, yeah, there is was it not 2 weeks ago? Yeah, 2 weeks ago I make a video. I was on live stream with her to present her to you guys, to introduce her to you guys, for you guys to know her. She's a very sweet soul. She's just 3 years old, guys, but very smart. Oh, she's very smart, you guys. Yeah. Also, yeah, I did a live stream, right? That was 2 weeks ago. She was with me, right? We was taking breakfast that morning. Then I said, let me come on live, right? Now that she's with me, because that day their school was on holiday. We were at home without no school runs. Yeah, so I decided to make a video with her, which was so much fun, you guys. That video was so fun with her, which you guys will get to see her more often on this channel, you guys. Yeah, yeah. yeah. So guys, that is it. I said let me come on live just to say hi. This is my first sit how am I going to say it? This is the first video. I'm just sitting down talking to you people without showing what I went to buy, without showing stores, without this is just my first sit down video with you guys. Please guys, subscribe, okay? Subscribe for more fun videos so that you guys can get to know me. I'm a very gentle person. Yeah. So I love people. I'm a lover of people, yeah, you guys. This is going to be a very short video, okay? I know that I'll get used to it someday, sitting down, talking to you guys, you know. This is my first video, which I'm not used to it. I'm not that used to it, you guys, which I know more I do video like this, more I get used to it, more I get to know you guys, more you guys comment, more I get to know you guys, more you like my videos, more I get to know you guys. It's through your comment that we get to know each other. You guys know me because of the video that I dropped. You guys watch me and you know me. But through your comment, I also get to know you that this person, I know her. She used to comment. She always comment on my video, or you always comment on my video. I will see your comment. This is how I get to know your names. This is how I get to know you guys. Know that this lady, Sister Tina, always comment on my video. You know, that's how we get to know you guys through the comment section. Okay. So you guys, I said let me say hi, and I love you all so much. God bless you. As always, if you have any question, just as I said before, if you have any question to ask me, please do not hesitate to leave it on my comment section, and I will reply you. Okay. Yep, guys. This is what I have for today. My first sit down video, and I hope I did a great job. So I love you guys. God bless you. Do not forget to like, share, comment, all those beautiful stuff. Okay, all those beautiful stuff. Leave your good comments, your beautiful comments, and I am also going to reply you beautifully. I'm also going to reply you beautifully, you guys. So I love you. Mwah. God bless you. Bye, you guys. Bye. Mwah. My baby will say, Mwah.